Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the Climafy air conditioner to see if it's actually worth your lunch money. It's a tiny, portable cooling device designed for people who want an affordable way to survive the summer without selling a kidney to pay the electric bill. Since it's built for personal use, it works best when it's practically glued to your side on a desk or nightstand. It's lightweight and simple, appealing to anyone who finds traditional HVAC systems far too intimidating and expensive. This compact little box is easy to lug around from room to room, which is perfect if your life's goal is to be followed by a faint, lukewarm breeze. It runs via a USB cable, so you can power it with your laptop or a power bank, making it very convenient for people who want to feel cool while their computer overheats. It's incredibly simple to operate. Just add water, hit the button, and hope for the best. Because it sips electricity, you can run it for hours without your power meter spinning off its hinges. It's also impressively quiet, so it won't distract you while you're busy contemplating why you didn't just buy a real fan. However, let's manage those expectations before you try to cool a warehouse with this thing. The Climafy is not a miracle worker and won't chill an entire room. It's strictly for your own little bubble of existence. If you try to use it in a large space, you'll feel exactly the same, just slightly more disappointed. It also hates humidity, so if you live in a swamp, this is basically just a very expensive paperweight that occasionally spits mist at you. You'll also need to refill the water tank more often than you check your phone, which some might find inconvenient, while others would call it a part-time job. Still, if you need a cheap, portable breeze and don't mind the constant maintenance, it's a decent way to keep your sweat levels manageable this summer. Thanks for watching.